One of the things I made for the return of 30-Minute Meals on Food Network was a skillet pan pizza. The crew, all of my friends, everybody went bananas for it. So now every couple of months, I feel it's my duty to come up with a new skillet pan pizza. So we preheat a large cast iron skillet, and we are literally gonna make a deep dish pan pizza, which I cook in the oven at 500 degrees. So you could totally make this in under 30 minutes. And they are so much fun and delicious. The pizza dough, just stop at your favorite pizzeria and ask them if you can buy a ball of their dough. Or of course, in the refrigerated and the freezer sections of our larger grocery stores, we now have lots of great options. Also online, you will see my recipe for the easiest pizza dough that we make at my house for my family. So pick it up at the store or make your own homemade. We're going to make a Cowboy skillet pan pizza today. We're gonna make our own barbecue sauce, although if you wanna do a shortcut and you have a favorite brand, feel free to buy your favorite brand and just marry it, here's the first Cowboy part, to pulled rotisserie chicken or chopped beef brisket. So we're gonna take barbecue chicken or barbecue beef, put it onto our pan pizza, so now it's like a barbecue pizza. Then we're gonna top it with 2 cheeses, pepper jack and mozzarella. We're gonna bake that off, and then right before we eat it, we're gonna squeeze some ranch dressing all over it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! All right. For the pan, for our barbecue sauce. Hey, you guys? You guys? Just a moment. You guys, I forgot to put ketchup or tomato sauce in the thing. Can you bring some out to me? Yeah. Sorry. The barbecue sauce is missing the tomato product. Duh. For the spices for this barbecue, for the Cowboy pizza, we're gonna put in some smoked sweet paprika, some hot, medium, or mild chili powder. This one is mild, ancho chili powder, a little Mexican oregano. Anytime we use a dried leaf, we lightly crush it in the palm of our hand and we add it to the mix. Smoky cumin. And its buddy, coriander, its sidekick. Stir this together. We cooked out our onion with a little bit of stock, chicken or beef stock, depending on what you're using, rotisserie chicken or beef. We'll grate in our garlic. Okay, now we use our barbecue components. Vinegar of choice, lean your head back, because this is gonna clean out your sinuses big time. Fat splash of vinegar. Balance that with a little sugar. I love pourable light brown sugar because it's pourable. Hello? Right? Doesn't all harden up on you. Fat splash of Worcestershire, a couple of passes of the pan. A smaller splash of soy or smoked soy. And, about 3/4 of a cup of ketchup or tomato sauce. Stir this together, and that's our barbecue base that we're gonna bathe our chicken or brisket in. Let's do rotisserie chicken because it's closer to me and my arms are short. Send that for a bath, and just let that thicken up for a couple of minutes here. The oven's getting hot to 500 degrees, 1 rack above center. These pizzas cook in absolutely no time. Now this is so clever, my friend Emily taught me this. Instead of a rolling pin, you use a bottle of wine to roll out the dough, so cute. So lightly floured surface. I put a little bit of cornmeal in the bottom of our hot cast iron skillet. Be very careful, remember the pan's already hot when you're putting this in, and let the pizza dough creep up the side. All right, so on top of the pizza dough, I sprayed the pizza dough with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, and I topped it with salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. And now I'm moving around our barbecued chicken, or you can use barbecue brisket. Build the whole thing in a cast iron skillet. Then we hit it with a layer of pepper jack and a layer of mozzarella. Some roasted red peppers. 500-degree oven till it's brown and bubbly.